Okay, today we're gonna review a local made crossbar that I ordered from online. That I will install on my motorcycle. The package wrapped so it's so difficult to open. Still need a lot of efforts to open the package because it's so wrapped so tightly. So it only takes me about 15 minutes to open this wrapping. Okay, let us see.
A few moments later.
Final result of my unwrapping video of my new crossbar that I will install in my Honda new Mega Pro 150cc. And that is the wrapping stuff. Okay, this is the final result. I'm installing my new crossbar on my 150cc on the new Mega Pro. Okay, I think it's already finished.